In this video, we talk about a famous book, Grit, by Angela Duckworth. This book is about passion, effort, and never giving up. It's not about being the smartest person. It's about being the one who keeps going, no matter what. So many people want to learn English fast. They start with energy, but stop after a few weeks. Why? Because it feels hard. Because progress feels slow. Because they forget that success takes time. Angela Duckworth teaches us that talent is not enough. Even if you are not perfect, you can win with hard work. You can win with consistency. You can win with grit. So today, we'll learn what grit means. How passion helps you love English more. Why perseverance keeps you going when it feels hard. And how small daily habits can change your English forever. Are you ready? Let's begin. Passion for English. Passion means love for what you do. It is the fire that keeps you going. It's the reason you wake up and say, I want to learn again. When you have passion, learning English feels exciting. You don't study because you must. You study because you want to. You enjoy it. You play with it. You explore it. Think about a child learning to ride a bicycle. They fall many times. They get hurt. But they smile and try again. Why? Because they love the feeling of riding. That's passion. That's what keeps them going. Learning English is the same. If you love it, you'll never stop. Let's take another story. Sarah wanted to learn English to travel the world. In the beginning, she could only say simple words. Hello, how are you? Thank you. She felt shy. She made mistakes. But she kept listening to songs. She watched movies. And she repeated lines every night. After 6 months, she was speaking with people from different countries. Her secret: not talent, passion. Passion makes you curious. You start to notice English everywhere. In songs, in movies, in signs, in social media. You start to ask, what does that word mean? How can I say this better? That curiosity is power. It keeps your mind alive. Don't wait for motivation to come to you. Create it yourself. Find your reason to learn. Maybe you want to travel. Maybe you want to make new friends. Maybe you dream of a better job. Or maybe you just want to understand the world. Whatever your reason is, make it your light. Because passion turns effort into joy. And when you learn with joy, you grow faster. You remember longer. And you never give up. Repeat after me. I enjoy learning English. I love this language. Every day I learn something new. My passion makes me strong. Perseverance when it feels hard. Perseverance means keep going, even when it's hard. It means not quitting when you fail. It means standing up again every time you fall. Let's be honest, learning English is not easy. Sometimes you forget words. Sometimes your pronunciation feels wrong. Sometimes you want to say something, but the words don't come out. And you think, maybe I'm not good enough. But that's not true. Everyone who speaks English well once felt exactly like you. Think about Ali. He started learning English from YouTube videos. At first, he understood nothing. He paused every sentence. He looked up every word. He wanted to quit. But he told himself, one more video, then another, and another. After 3 months, he could understand short stories. After 6 months, he was speaking with confidence. Ali didn't give up. He didn't learn fast, he learned with perseverance. Perseverance is like climbing a mountain. You take one step, then another, then another. Sometimes it rains. Sometimes the path is hard. But if you keep walking, you reach the top. Every mistake is part of your training. When you forget a word, you learn it again and remember better. When you make a grammar mistake, you grow stronger. When you fail a test, you understand what to improve. Each failure is a teacher. Each challenge is a lesson. Each step forward is progress. So, the next time you feel tired, the next time you feel lost, remember, this is how learning works. Success is not about never failing. It's about never quitting. Repeat after me. I am not afraid of mistakes. I learn from them. I am patient. I am strong. I will not stop. I will keep going, no matter what. The power of small, daily habits. Success doesn't happen in one day. It grows slowly, step by step, word by word. Small actions, done every day, create big change. You don't need to study for 5 hours. You just need to be consistent. 10 minutes a day is better than 5 hours once a week. Because small habits stay. They build your routine. They train your brain. Let's talk about Mina. Mina had a busy life. She worked full-time and took care of her family. She had no time for long English classes. But she made a small promise to herself. Just 10 minutes of English every morning. She listened to one short story while making breakfast. She repeated one sentence while walking to work. She wrote one new word in her notebook each night. 1 year later, Mina was speaking confidently. Not because she studied all day, but because she practiced a little every day. That's the magic of small habits. Your brain loves repetition. It remembers better when you practice often. It grows stronger when you touch English daily. Read one paragraph. Watch one short video. Shadow one dialogue. Every little thing adds up. Think of it like planting seeds. Each word you learn is a seed. Each practice session is water. Day by day, those seeds grow into a beautiful garden of English. So don't wait for a perfect time. Don't wait for a big plan. Start small. Start today. Just one line. 1 minute. One habit. Repeat after me. Small steps make big progress. I can practice every day. I don't need to rush. I grow a little stronger each day. I believe in small habits. Make English a part of your life. Learning English is not just a goal. It's a lifestyle. It's something you live with, not something you finish. Don't think of English as a school subject. Think of it as a part of your daily world. Like music. Like exercise. Like your morning tea. When English becomes a habit, you don't need to force yourself to study. You just enjoy it naturally. Let's talk about David. He didn't go to English classes. He just made English part of his life. He watched English YouTubers every night. He listened to English podcasts on his way to work. He changed his phone language to English. He even started thinking in English. Simple things like, "I'm hungry," or "It's a beautiful day." After 1 year, his English improved more than ever before. Why? Because English wasn't just a subject. It became his world. You can do this too. Start small. Read your favorite news in English. Follow English pages on social media. Talk to your friends in English, even for 2 minutes a day. Think in English when you cook, walk, or shop. Say to yourself, "This apple looks fresh. This road is clean. I'm going home." The more you live in English, the more natural it feels. And remember, English is not only words. It's connection. It's culture. It's a bridge to new ideas and new people. When English becomes part of your life, you don't just learn a language. You open a new world. Repeat after me. English is part of my daily life. I use it, I hear it, I live it. I enjoy it every day. English is not just a subject, it's my lifestyle. Final message for you people. Never stop growing. You've learned something powerful today. You've learned that passion, perseverance, and small habits can truly change your English and your life. Remember, every great English speaker once started small. They made mistakes. They felt shy. They forgot words. But they didn't stop. They kept going. They never gave up. Maybe your English is not perfect today. That's okay. Perfection is not the goal. Progress is. Every word you speak. Every video you listen to. Every sentence you shadow takes you one step closer. So keep learning. Keep practicing. Keep believing in yourself. And when you feel tired, come back to this channel. Listen again. Shadow again. Remind yourself, you are growing. You are improving. You are not alone. Say it with me. I will keep learning. I will keep trying. I will never give up. I will make English part of my life. If this lesson helped you, like the video to support our work. Comment below and share your favorite line. And don't forget to subscribe for more English shadowing practice videos every week. Your journey doesn't end here. It starts here. Keep learning. Keep shining. And remember, never stop growing. Final message for you people. Never stop growing. You've learned something powerful today. You've learned that passion, perseverance, and small habits can truly change your English and your life. Remember, every great English speaker once started small. They made mistakes. They felt shy. They forgot words. But they didn't stop. They kept going. They never gave up. Maybe your English is not perfect today. That's okay. Perfection is not the goal. Progress is. Every word you speak, every video you listen to, every sentence you shadow, takes you one step closer. So keep learning, keep practicing, keep believing in yourself. And when you feel tired, come back to this channel. Listen again. Shadow again. Remind yourself, you are growing. You are improving. You are not alone. Say it with me. I will keep learning. I will keep trying. I will never give up. I will make English part of my life. If this lesson helped you, like the video to support our work. Comment below and share your favorite line. And don't forget to subscribe for more English shadowing practice videos every week. Your journey doesn't end here. It starts here. Keep learning. Keep shining. And remember, never stop growing.